Hello, everyone. My name is Prith Banerjee. I am SVP of Innovation at Synopsys. Today, I'm very excited to talk about the partnership between JuliaHub and Synopsys in the broad area of digital engineering and digital twins. So let's begin. I want to first start by sharing with all of you the excitement around the intelligent systems that are around us. When you look at a software-defined vehicle, or a software-defined drone, or a software-defined data center, or equipment, we have intelligent products all around us. So essentially, you have a software-defined product, and this physical car interacts with the environment, the highways and the things and so on. So you have a autonomous car, like a Waymo car driving around the streets of San Francisco. You can model the environment. And so can you build a accurate digital twin of that product in operation? And that's essentially what we built with our hybrid digital twin, the Twin Builder, Twin AI tool that we had from legacy Ansys, which is now part of Synopsys. And so what we are showing in this slide is, if you based a digital twin based on pure data analytics, it's about 80% accurate. If you do based on pure simulation, it's 90% accurate. But if you combine that to the hybrid, you actually get 98 to 99%. What JuliaHub has done with the Dyad framework is a language which is naturally suited for scientific computing, the kinds of things that you do with our in this simulation work. So essentially, by integrating Dyad technology, Dyad 3 in particular, with the sort of the ML-based framework that Julia has, which I'll talk about the exact details later on. But this is why we are excited about the partnership, that we are actually taking this combined system-level simulation capability from JuliaHub, combined with Twin Builder reduced order models, the physics-based simulation, combined with TwinAI to provide to our customers this incredibly exciting joint solution. In addition to JuliaHub, we also did a partnership with Ansys Cosim, and then as part of the acquisition with the merger with Synopsys, Synopsys has a tool called Saber. So that's also part of this thing. So essentially, our customers are seeing three new technologies as part of Twin Builder: JuliaHub, Dyad, Ansys Cosim, and Saber. And so now, once you have it together, I want to bring this all together with the original concept of the electronic digital twin that I started with. So with the electronic digital twin, you have a piece of software that is running on an ECU. And we have these different virtual ECU models, level 1, level 2, level 3, with our virtualizer platform, Silver platform from Synopsys. That allows you to do this hardware in the loop, software in the loop, model in the loop, all those simulations. But that software running with this thing on the ECU is controlling a physical asset. It's controlling the engine, it's controlling the brakes, controlling the accelerator, all those things. Those physical things are modeled with the physics solvers from Ansys Synopsys. And so we essentially marry the two together. That is what I'm showing here in the slide, with this concept of the V-cycle, that we can take the plant models from the physics-based solvers and connect it to the models of the software. So it's a software control that is controlling those things, controlling what? The physics. And that is essentially something that we are building towards, this continuous verification validation framework. Does this work? Yes, we have. So what this slide is showing is we have actually developed such a virtual validation with an OEM customer, so we can actually take a digital twin model of a component like a battery system or a motor or whatever, and you can build all these things together and build an entire digital twin of electric vehicle. On the top right, you can see this car is going through on a highway, and you can predict exactly how this car will go in the highway as you have higher sort of inclines, you have higher environmental temperatures. We can do the complete virtual validation of this thing. So in summary, I am super excited with the partnership, the technology partnership with JuliaHub. So this sort of covers the key parts of this thing. So I kind of started with the digital engineering, the V-cycle, where I showed how intelligent products like a software-defined vehicle, a drone, you start with the V, you start with specifications, then you do subsystem design, component design. Then on the right side of the V, you do sort of verification, validation, all the way to this virtual validation that I showed you on last slide. But now what we are doing with this partnership between Dyad, JuliaHub, and Synopsys, is to essentially power the future of digital engineering. And the partnership between TwinAI and Dyad is this sort of three things that I want to highlight, and I can end my talk on. Dyad's scientific AI technology, which is essentially tied with the Synopsys hybrid analysis capability. We already had TwinAI, but we have now powered it with Dyad's capability for system-level simulation. That's the first thing. So it allows us to build a sort of a digital twin in the assembly line and asset health monitoring. Second, Dyad has this incredible agentic AI technology, which is transforming how engineers can build models. In the past, engineer would take TwinAI, would take all of these things, but they would have to physically write those models, develop those reduced order models, connect it up. It took a lot of time. Now with agentic AI, the framework that Dyad has, you can do all the same thing very, very easily, sort of an agentic AI framework. Julia is a language that you can essentially take those things and compile it into something that you can execute, so that unique compilation system generates embedded artifacts, the control software that will actually run on those embedded, the software platform, the ECUs that I talked about. So I'm super excited about the partnership with JuliaHub, and I hope you get to see the value of the combined solution. Thank you very much.